Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully, very well, safe, and blessed. Thanks for liking and sharing my previous videos. Welcome to my channel MSTT MSTT Modern Simple Teaching Techniques. Today I'm going to talk about awareness of coronavirus. By staying in isolation, how can we protect ourselves? This is the exponential growth rate by WHO. How can it grow faster? This is the growth rate of January to 2020 to March 2020. We couldn't stop corona by coming into our homes. What we do? Should we lock it from outside? Or should we bring shelter? Or should build a metallic shield outside? Or placed some sort of scanners and cameras to stop it? Now the question is, what to do? How it enters without our permission? Let's find out. Only by wearing gloves and masks. Can we stop corona by entering in our homes? The answer is no, we couldn't. This is the corona. It's like a monkey which sits on our shoulder and rides along everywhere we go. Before we find out the solution, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's start. It's time to implement Plan B. Everyone has to take part, whether it's old, young, or adult. We take our plans step by step. Our activities and daily routine become a shield to protect ourselves from corona by entering in our mouth, nose, eyes, and ears. And we could stop it by touching to our hands. This powerful shield stops corona by entering in our body and our homes. You can see 3 hours stays in air, 4 hours on copper surfaces, 24 hours on cardboards, 2 to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. We actually need extreme cleaning motivation. We need to provoke cleaning. Make a list of duties for everyone. Everyone has to take part deliberately. Look, everyone is working and helping each other. Wake up in the fresh spring morning with the chirping of birds means little early. Do work in your homes and little exercise which you can do. And start cleaning your doors and windows inside and from outside. Clean each and every corner. Don't forget the knobs of doors and tabs of kitchen and bathroom. Here you can see so many viruses and bacteria. Now the question is how to clean the toys kids. Collect all the toys, plastic toys and put them in the tub with the disinfectant water. You can sanitize your toys because our kids are most precious creature on earth. And we have to protect them. As well as all those things which we use, like TV remote, our mobiles, laptops, use disinfectant spray. Buy packed fruits and vegetables. Put all the grocery items out of your house for a couple of hours, or in the garage or inside the porch. After hours, take out the materials and put them on the disinfectant table. Wash all the items, including vegetables and fruits. Soak all packed items and fruits and vegetables in soapy water for at least 20 minutes. And then wash them in clean running water. All packed material must be sprayed out with disinfectant material. If you are bringing your stuff in the plastic bags, take out your stuff from the bags, empty your bags, and throw them in the dustbin. Don't bring them inside your home. Cardboard material must be thrown out in the dustbin, and inside material can be taken to home. Do prefer cloth bags. If you are in quarantine or any of your family member, do prefer disposable pots to serve them. Home deliveries must be preferred. Take out all the eatable materials inside the house, and all the cardboard material must be thrown out. How to clean the money? Put all the coins in the disinfectant liquid. Spray out all the paper money with the disinfectant liquid. Prefer to use cards. Clean your house from inside and outside. And stay in your home with your family fearlessly and tearlessly. Hopefully you like my suggestions. Do wait for my next upcoming sensational videos. Stay safe. Let's stay home. Thanks for watching.